India, my proud nation, has been a cradle for great civilization, and also many legends have born, and it holds great culture and tradition. It has given a place for great people to achieve, and I'm going to talk about some of the immeasurable and valuable achievements. For past 74 years, India has faced a lot of hurdles, and it has come up successfully in bringing up the potential in men and to represent India in the global forum. The first decision India has made very brilliantly is the democratic rule and also giving right to vote, what is called universal adult franchise. So thereby India believed that every human being has got intelligence, not only just by education but also by its own thinking process can elect their own leaders of the country. Apart from that, the Green Revolution, which has made immeasurable resolutions and improvements in the field of food production, where surplus food was supplied and the poverty among people was eradicated. And India now exports a variety of food materials like the fiber crops, oil, and a variety of fruits and milk production, the white revolution we call. That has been very successful, and apart from that, the mineral wealth, especially gold and diamond, we are the second largest in exporting. Apart from this, the women right in the government rule, in politics, and thanks to Panchayat Raj, where apart from the global political world, India represents women in every other aspects of political system. And Right to Education Act, the reservation given to underprivileged, has improved the education, and also Right to Information Act. That's how the media has spread immensely, and also the reach of information and my right to represent to the democratic government has been achieved successfully. So there are 5,600 newspapers, and people speak 29 different languages, very successfully established, and far and wide the media has proven to be a good forum for the people to represent their views and ideas. An Indian defense system. We are all safe because of the Army, Navy, and the Air Force. And we globally represent the second largest. Nearly 1.3 army officials are working for the safety of the country, and the government has brought in technology into the safety and the defense system. And that's how our neighboring countries still dread to interfere into the political system, and the borders are protected. And in the field of culture and tradition, and also with the natural resource and wealth, the Western Ghats and also the mountain railways is being considered for the Heritage Center of UNESCO. So that is a quite a proud moment. And also the Kumbh Mela, in case of religious celebration, the maximum number of people on a religious gathering occurs only in India. So that culture is always protected and preserved among the people. The transport system, especially the railways and roadways, are interlinked, and any people can commute at low cost, effectively, where the corner of the places where it could reach to villages or cities, it is well established and interlinked. And of course, the space technology. We have achieved the simple and the best way with the least economic budget, where a space research and space ISRO as established through PSLV, and many more to come from that organization too. And the intelligence of the people in the field of science and technology and computers has reached even the rural people of the world. So this has become a great market within IT industry, and also with internet reaching in globally and locally. In all these process of achievements, especially with the medical field, I would insist on the polio eradication. So after 20 years of a struggle and continuous insisting of polio vaccination, we have been successfully eradicated polio, and the nuclear research and the energy developed, and also we have put in a potential of human brains into the research, and where successfully did test the nuclear test of Pokhran, and both on the first and the second level. And in the field of communication, not only that, and also in field of entertainment, sports, and also with successfully the economy of the country through, it could be Google's CEO or Microsoft CEO, it's all from the Indian minds. So many areas, like it could be holding from our strong tradition, culture, and also it could be the science and space, which has been very strong from our cultural background, and it could be technology with the recent times, and for the 21st century also. We are marching towards a global representation of being moved India from being a developing to a developed country. So all this has been possible only by the great minds who have been devotedly working with a proud feel of Indian, and all these achievements may be possible because of that intercultural understanding, and also with tremendous effort. Hope these achievements continue in future, and our country is being one of the best globally represented one. Happy 75th Independence Day. Jai Hind.